Bought a couple of these LED flag holders for my UTV. These things are pretty cool. Come in a set of 2. It's got a spring-loaded mast. It's got a bolt here that, you know, you could bolt it to something in the body of the truck, but I just bolted it. I welded that nut to the top of this metal post, and I just take the whole metal post and slide it down in this part here. So when I get to take them out, I just pop them out. There's nothing permanent. And then for the wiring, each one of them has a plug here on each side, and then I just put them down into here, and I just put a little plastic container down in this empty space and put all the wires down there. And then when I want to play with these little lit up masts, I just pull this wire out and then run it through the bed, and then off we go. And I just ran the positive and the negative here, and just tuck them away, so those wires will just sit there until I want to use this LED light. But yeah, they look pretty cool. All kinds of different modes. They have a remote control, and you can even use an app to control them. But I like that 3-foot height on my mule, and they look great at night. They're all kinds of blinking crazy lights. It almost looks like a cop car. But yeah, hey, I would definitely look into these. They look like a lot of fun. They're not that expensive, and they're super easy to hook up to your Kawasaki Mule. As you can see, this is a really cool addition to my UTV. You got to get a set of these lights. These things are great. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, have a great day.